Hey y'all, hey, I'm fashionably grateful and I'm trying to enclose at Express Outlet. Y'all, this is the factory outlet, so a lot of this stuff is not going to be online, unfortunately. But for some of the stuff it is. Like this outfit right here is sold out online. However, if you go to Tampa Premium Outlet in Lutz, Florida, you can find this outfit. I think I might go back because I think the skirt is $15, which is crazy. This dress is only at the store as well. I could not find it online. Kind of find out this dress in the yellow and pink and whatever this other color is. I tried this on years ago and it's still in the store, but it's not online. I can't seem to find it. And this other pink dress with the cutout, I also cannot find it online. So guys, I apologize. I did not pick the right choices here to try on, but I'm still going to show you what I found. Keep in mind, you can find similar looks at your online or at Express at either store. This outfit right here was super dope. They do have an outfit that really matches it, so no worries about that. Something is really close. It's really like a straight stripe and not a zebra stripe. But yeah, some of this stuff you're going to be able to find similar items, but not necessarily the exact thing. However, you can't go wrong at Express. And what I'm gonna do to make this up for y'all, I'm gonna go back to Express, the actual store at the mall, at the International Mall, and I'm gonna try on a bunch of stuff that's actually available right now. Okay, so don't even worry about it. But y'all, why does jumpsuit give me the Express vibe? Like it's the Express outfit, like it's their theme outfit or something. But guys, let's go to the fitting room so you can see what this stuff looks like. This dress is cute. Now it is smashing my chest in, but it's okay. I probably could get away with wearing a bra. What I have on is a push-up strapless bra, so maybe that's what the problem is. I'm not for sure, but again, this dress is not something that I see online anymore. It's only in the outlet store that I show. Now, I haven't been to the regular store, so I could be completely wrong. I think you should always step in Express whenever, you know, you see that they have some new items, because Express be on point. Like, their outfits are giving all different type of vibes. They're giving brunch, they're giving evening wear, they're also giving club wear, to be honest with you, and then they give business attire as well and casual get up. It's like everything is in the store. Now, as far as activewear, I didn't see any of that, but I really didn't look either for activewear. I was mainly looking for dresses, y'all, because the summer is here. Even if it ain't summertime yet, like the summer date, I don't remember when it is, but I don't remember what day marks the first day of summer, but it don't matter because we already here. It's already 100 degrees in Florida, or in Tampa anyway. And Carrollwood, it seems like it's 107 degrees. I don't know why it's so much hotter over that way when you get closer to the water. But hey, I didn't make the rules. But y'all, I love this dress. Okay, it is really cute. Like, I'm shocked that I was really impressed by it. And you know what? It has pockets, and that's what really sealed the deal for me. A dress with some pockets, you cannot go wrong, I promise you. I love it. It's so flowy. It's super long. I would, of course, wear this with some heels. You would think some espadrilles, but nah. I probably will wear some some black heels with some gold details to it, and then wear bracelets and stuff like that, some nice earrings, probably wear my hair up. Yeah, I think this will be really dope. And where would I wear this to? Y'all, I don't know, but I will wear it. Now this one, y'all, I love this dress. I absolutely adore this dress, y'all. Everything I'm trying on is in an XL, so, and that last dress did not stretch, so I definitely could fit it, but this is in an XL as well. Now it's showing every lump and bump and cranny, but if you put on some shapewear, that should fix all of that, right? Now the problem with this dress is it's only pink in the store, but I found it online in green, so I will tag it in the either in the shopping cart or shopping bag for you. If it's not in the shopping bag, then it's going to be in the description, which is going to be linked in my shop hopefully, if I can find it again. I mean, I've already found the link, so all I have to do is tag it, so we will see. If you see a shopping bag on the screen, great. If not, just know that it's in the description, and I may even go ahead and put it in the comments as well. But guys, I like how this dress feels. It is extremely soft. I think it's so very cute. I mean, wearing it with a strapless bra, you don't have to worry about any sleeves showing or nothing like that. Unless you have to have sleeves, then wear clear straps. I'm sure you can find like a versatile bra strap where you can hook up clear sleeves or clear straps instead of colorful straps, because that is like a spaghetti strap sleeve, and you don't want to wear a bra with that, right? But y'all, I love how this look is definitely giving like Jessica Rabbit. I think it is so cute. It just needs to be a little bit longer for that. Now, it's not waist snatching material, you know, but I mean, if you put on shapewear with it, you should be good to go either way. But even the pink color is working wonders for me. Now, y'all, I'm so disappointed. This outfit is only in the store. I see the skirt was online, but it is sold out online, and it's only $15 online. So it's probably sold out so fast. But y'all, this one, oh my goodness. I thought I wasn't gonna like this, especially when I found it was like a halter top. I was just like, everybody's wearing the black and everybody's designing a black and white stripe outfit. Everybody has their little, you know, their little version of it, and I'm just like, oh, I'm so ready to get rid of this style that I'm seeing at every store, from Target to Walmart to Express to Torrid to Loft to J. Crew. Everybody has this black and white stripe outfit, but ain't nobody did it like this. Ain't nobody did it like this. I mean, they took the award for the black and white outfit that's either stripe or chevron or whatever. They took the award. Express, you got me. And I kind of want to go back out to the outlet and actually see if this was $15, because I'm expecting things to be online. I didn't even check the prices, but I would like to go back and pick this outfit up and take it home with me, because this outfit is dope. Now, I have no idea where I'm gonna wear it other than the brunch, or, you know, just like a little get together, a day party or something, you know, especially like a beach day party would be dope to wear this. But guys, this outfit is, I can't believe how nice it looks. I love this. And just showing that little bit of midriff, I mean, it's just doing everything for me. I love this outfit, y'all. And the skirt at the bottom, how it's ruffly, you can already tell. When I get to dancing around in the outfit, you know what it is. You know I'm feeling the entire getup. Now, what shoes? Oh, this would definitely wear some espadrilles with it. I need to be tall in this. I'm 5'8". I need to be 6 feet in this outfit. I need to have a straw bag, like preferably, you know what? I got a bag already. I got a straw bag that's white and black. I mean, it's actually kind of cream color and black. It might be, I don't know, it might not work out. I'm going right back to Express tomorrow to go get this. I promise you. I'm not gonna, if it's $15 for that skirt, yes, I'm gonna go back and get this. I love this. And then I wear it to work, but not with the top. I wear like a black tank top with it to work. That'll be cute. Now, this is another outfit that I tried on several, I want to say years ago, or maybe last year, at the outlet in Orlando, and it's here as well. Now, what made me try it on again is I wasn't really for sure, but now that I got it on, I feel like, yeah, I tried this on before. It's a sweater fabric. It wasn't real expensive. I like this. I like this outfit, y'all. I'm trying to make sure my underwear is sitting upright. I do apologize about that, but yeah, this is a cute dress. It's probably not something that I would want to wear. I mean, it's cute in yellow. I like it. I have a green outfit, something like this, that's pants. But this is cool. I wish it was a little bit of a duller yellow, but it is sweater material. It's very, very stretchy, so you can size down on this, but they only had this one left. They had this, and then they had a cream color one left, and this was in XL, so I was like, oh, let me try that on. Now, the XL sizes are running really large, and it even says it like online that this stuff is running large, or not online. Something said online, not this one, but something similar to this. So I'm gonna, if I can't find anything similar, guys, like I said, I'm just gonna have to make it up to you by doing another Express haul that actually has things online that you can, you know, have a clickable link, because this dress is another one that I could not find, and the only thing that was matching it was just a butter yellow like spaghetti strap bodycon dress, which that's not what this is. It needs to have the cutout, you know what I mean? It needs to look like a two-piece like this does, and this is was probably very, very cheap. So, but yeah, I mean, unfortunately, that's what we're working with today. But like I said, I will make it up to you soon. But yes, I love this dress as well. I would probably wear this with a bright color shoe, maybe pink, bright pink, or even bright green. You know what would be cute with this? a turquoise bag or a turquoise pair of shoes or something like this. Would you dress this up in a different color, like a contrasting color? Like maybe something that's on the primary colors wheel, whatever is across from it. Probably what's across from it is green, right? I'm not sure, but I love this dress. I wish that I can find it online. It sucks. This is another one. I was shocked. Y'all, this dress has absolutely no stretch, but it is so very cute. I don't think I have to wear a bra with this one either. But y'all, I love this dress, y'all. It is adorable. It is super cute. I wish I would have wore it to like a wedding that I went to recently, because I think this would have been perfect for it. But this is another one that I will probably wear with some espadrilles, because these are just giving espadrille type of dresses. You know, it's giving espadrille type of shoes that you should wear with most of these dresses. And I mean, again, it is a summer type of dress that I love. It does tie up around the neck. I didn't have to tie it too tight because it is holding up pretty good, because it's super tight. Okay, it's super tight because it's an XL, y'all. But right there, okay, so on that part, it's very stretchy on that part, because it is that what is it called when it's like the elastic? Why do I keep forgetting that word? But it does stretch out a little bit right there. That's it. The rest of this fabric is linen though. It's like that linen, that thick linen. So, and that part on the stomach is smocked. So it's smocked. So that's how it's moving right there like that. But ultimately, like I said, this dress is not stretchy at all. But it is definitely very, very cutesy. I did not just see this in a pink. There also had this in a green, and not a neon green, more like a lima bean. Do y'all know what color lima beans are? Like a lima bean green. It was in that color as well, which I thought was dope. But no, I tried it on in pink because I was just like, yeah, why not? Y'all don't pay no attention to me trying to get my thumbnail shots ready for this to be a presentable, clickable video on YouTube. But yeah, I love this dress. I think it's really cute. No, you know what? I probably wouldn't wear espadrilles. I probably would wear like brown pumps, brown leather pumps, thick. I think that'll be cute. Wooden type of beads on my wrists, and I don't know, maybe a leather brown purse. I don't know. This is just a basic striped bodycon dress. What made me go ahead and try it on is because I didn't think that they had the striped one that I ended up grabbing at the beginning of the video. So this is one of the first dresses that I saw when I came in, while they had this one on display. Like right there, very accessible. I do not know, but this is what they had. So I was like, oh, let me try this on. They had different variations of the black and white, and then they had a brown one, I believe. So it's kind of like the Loft. No, it was not Loft. It was Abercrombie and Fitch that had like this type of dress, but theirs was sweater. This one is also sweater. It's a little thicker than like the t-shirt material. It works. It's cool. It's just not something that I would really pay, express type of prices for ever. And like I said, some of this stuff drops all the way down to $14.97. So I don't know what it was ever doing at $100. And if you're going to take your prices all the way down that far, then child, was it worth it to begin with at $100? I do not know. But yeah, I'm confused with that, But yes, this is a cute dress still. I mean, it's pretty decent. I definitely, could see myself wearing it to like work or something with a jean jacket. And again, this dress I've already tried on before. I tried it on years ago. Like, you see? That is so crazy. Like, they still have the same dress. And it's in the store only. I cannot find it online. You know how I found out that I had tried it on before? I took a picture of it. I took a screenshot of this dress of me trying it on. And I went to Google and I used the Google Lens. And I pop up. I'm like the 5th person down. I popped up as well trying on this dress. I'm like, what? No way. My hair was cute though. But yes, y'all, I think I tried this dress on maybe a year or two ago. So that means y'all been having this dress for a good minute. Like, it's crazy. A lot of other people tried it on as well. It's cool. I just remember me saying before that I made a Barbie doll dress like this when I was younger. I took like a pink sock, a yellow sock, and another orange sock or something like that, and I stacked them up on each other, something like that. I don't remember how it went, but it looked really, really cute. And this just reminds me of that. Yes, it does. But yeah, I mean, this dress is cool. It's very basic though. Just the blocking of the colors, you know, makes it, I guess, cute. Now, what color shoes would you wear with this? Of course, you would probably pull out one of the colors out of the dress. I probably would wear the same color as my skin, you know, and do wooden accessories again, or maybe pink, just the same pink. But it's gonna be kind of hard to find a pink shoe that is that color pink. But I'm sure I can make something happen. We will figure it out. But guys, I definitely love making this video for you. I hope you like it, even though I made a mistake by picking the wrong stuff. But like the video for me, subscribe to my channel, because you know I got plenty more where this came from, okay? Bye-bye.